Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make easy salsa dip. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 4 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 jalapenos for a mild to medium heat. Don't forget a generous bunch of fresh cilantro, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 juicy lime. We'll also use a little salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Now, let's get everything prepped. Start by finely dicing your tomatoes, onion, and jalapenos. Remember, smaller pieces create a smoother salsa texture. Next, mince your 2 cloves of garlic and chop the fresh cilantro. If you prefer less heat, make sure to remove the seeds from your jalapenos before dicing them. This step is crucial for a well-balanced dip. It's time to bring all those fresh flavors together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your diced tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, minced garlic, and chopped cilantro. Squeeze the juice from your 1 lime over the mixture. This adds a bright, zesty kick. Now, add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a small pinch of sugar. Stir everything gently to combine. Your delicious homemade salsa is almost ready. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and chill your salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful ingredients to meld together beautifully. Serve it up with your favorite tortilla chips or use it as a vibrant topping for tacos and grilled meats. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your fresh, easy salsa.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.